I can do
Hello my cutie pies. Today I'm going to be doing a glowy skin makeup tutorial. I basically did a poll on Instagram and a lot of you guys voted for the glowy skin makeup tutorial, so here I am. I'm going to be doing that today. In my last video, I did mention that I'm going to be hosting my own makeup seminar in New York, and I will be releasing details and all of that good stuff on my Instagram, so make sure that you guys follow me so you guys are up to date. I'm going to be doing it in May. I know it's a little bit early to be announcing it, but I was just too excited and I felt like it was, you know, good timing for me, especially since it's the new year and it's one of my biggest goals to be doing that. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. But anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. I feel like skincare is such a huge part of having glowy skin. First things first, I am obsessed with this Clinique clarifying lotion, and it creates like glowy and clear skin, so I feel like that's every girl's dream, right? So I'm just gonna put this on a cotton pad like this. And literally it gets like all the dirt off. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this right here is, I don't know what that was, but it's bomb. I'm going to be using the Clinique Moisture Surge. This right here is literally, I have no words for it because it's so good. I just love how this is like a gel moisturizer and not so like creamy and thick, because usually when I use like creamy and thick moisturizers, my face tends to be like super oily. My under eye cream, which is the Clinique Repairwear Laser Focus, and I love this because it moisturized my under eyes a lot, since my under eyes I felt like was super dry. What I like to do is just tap it under my eyes. I love spraying this all over my face. It's like refreshing, it primes at the same time, and also this can be a great setting spray as well. So I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer. So basically we're doing a lot of preparation and rubbing into the skin. So now I'm just going to be using the BECCA Backlight Priming Filter, and I'm just going to apply this on the areas where I would usually highlight. I'm going to take this buffing brush by MORPHE, and I will be listing the kit down below in the description if you guys are interested. I am obsessed with this brush. I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. So it's a 2-in-1 foundation, but of course I only just use this as foundation because I love to put on concealer. I'm in the shade Golden Neutral. So now I'm just going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade NC25. I'm going to be taking the Sigma Blending E25 brush. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to set my under eyes. I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. So basically what I'm going to be doing is not filling in my brow all the way using my Brow Wiz. I'm going to just like plan out where I'm going to be applying the DIPBROW pomade with the Brow Wiz, if that makes any kind of sense. Yeah guys, I'm just going to just brush out what I just applied. And then now I'm going to go in using my DIPBROW pomade. So let me just zoom you guys in a little bit. Just going to use these two warm shades right here from the Morphe 9C palette, and they're called Rock Out and Stone Fox. Kind of feel like they're kind of the same shade, but whatever. I'm gonna be using the Morphe R40 brush. I'm just gonna apply Fool's Gold on my lid. Wow, that is so pretty. Okay, I definitely like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Midnight Cowboy glitter liner. And I'm just going to apply it where I applied the gold. Basically took the two orangey shades that I applied in the beginning and just applied it right here in the outer corner just to deepen it up a little bit. Alright, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M433 brush and I'm going to take the two orangey shades once again. And I'm just going to be applying this on my lower lash line. Using my Benefit Bang Mascara, which is like my ultimate favorite mascara at the moment. I'm going to apply it on my lashes. I'm going to be applying some false lashes, of course. I'm going to be using they're called JLASH. The style I'm going to be applying is called SERENA. And they're so pretty. I'm going to be applying some HOOLA bronzer by Benefit. And I'm going to be using my angled brush by Morphe. So now I'm going to be moving on to Glow. And for today, I'm going to be using the Persona highlighter in ZUMA. I'm just going to use the Anastasia A23 highlighting brush. And I'm going to spray my setting spray. I'm going to apply some Fix Plus on the brush. Alright, so one thing I do notice about this highlighter, oh my god, there's a lot of fallout. Like if I can show you how much powder just went onto my desk, it's incredible. Oh my god, that is so... I'm going to apply a little bit on the brow bone as well. And a little bit on my forehead. I actually forgot to put blush on, so I'm just going to take a little bit of my MAC Peaches and I'm going to use the Morphe Y5 brush. We're just going to apply that on our cheeks. And for lips today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Ashton. And to line my lips, if I can find it, I'm going to be using the NYX Nude Truffle. Yeah guys, that is basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please show some love. Make sure to like this video, of course. And that is basically it. And I will see you guys in my next video.